Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make quesadilla dip. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. Also, have your favorite seasonings ready, like 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Make sure you have a microwave-safe bowl and a whisk for easy preparation. Now, let's get mixing. In your microwave-safe bowl, combine the softened cream cheese, sour cream, and all your chosen seasonings. Stir these together until they are well blended. Microwave the mixture for about 1 minute, then remove and stir thoroughly until it's smooth and creamy. Next, gradually add the shredded cheese, stirring well after each addition to ensure it melts evenly into the dip. Almost there. If your cheese isn't fully melted, microwave the dip for another 30 seconds, then stir again until it's perfectly smooth and gooey. This is also a great time to stir in any extra toppings you love, such as diced jalapenos for a kick or fresh green onions for a mild crunch. Serve your delicious, warm quesadilla dip immediately with crispy tortilla chips, warm quesadilla wedges, or even fresh vegetable sticks. Enjoy! One of the best parts about this quesadilla dip is how easy it is to customize. Feel free to experiment with different cheese blends, like a spicy pepper jack or a rich Mexican blend, to find your favorite flavor profile. You can also make it a more substantial dish by stirring in some cooked ground beef or shredded chicken. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below. It's perfect for keeping your kitchen clean after all that delicious cooking.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.